The first step is to launch your CapCut. As the app opens, tap on New Video and import the video you want to use. Let me tap on this one, tap on Add. The next step is to tap on Effects. On tapping on Effects, select Video Effects. Tap where you have people as searching blur. Tap inside that search bar, then type in blur. Tap on the search button. This will give you some blur effects. Some are free, some are paid. The one that has diamond is not free, but this one here is free. I will tap on it. Then I'll tap on cancel, then tap on tick. So this is now added. So the length at which it is the length it will blur. Alright, you can see what is happening here. But if you want to extend it to the end or to a particular length in the clip, just tap on the blur effect, then use your finger and drag forward. Alright, once you are good with where you want it to stop, stop it. Okay, then play again. You can see the area is blurred. Area where this is blurred. Then I'll pause it. Let's say you want to increase the weight of the blur. What you need to do is once the blur is selected, tap on adjust. Here it is at 50%. So if you want it to increase in intensity, just take it to 100%. Alright, so you can adjust the level you want. So I will tap on the tick sign.
If this helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment. See you some other time.